Hey guys, this might be interesting to y'all. I don't know, I think it's kind of cool, so I figure I'll put it on YouTube. Here's a little pan tilt mount I've been working on. You know, typical pan and tilt situation. And this mount is it'll fit into the bottom of a Sky Hunter. And then when you're ready to land the plane, you just flip another switch, and the door closes to seal the bottom of the plane, so the dirt and stuff won't get into the camera, which is now up inside the plane. So I don't know, I thought it was cool. Thought maybe some of y'all might be interested in that. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll answer them as best I can. Hope you're doing well. That's pretty cool. Something to do during the winter, hey? Cool. See ya.